In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI in Filmora. If you've been curious about speeding up your edits or enhancing your footage with smart tools, Filmora's AI features can help you clean audio, reframe shots, remove backgrounds, and more with just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the simple flow so you can start taking advantage of these tools right away. First, open Filmora. Launch it as you normally would and give it a moment to load. If you see a prompt to update, it's a good idea to install the latest version so you have the newest AI options and improvements. Once Filmora opens, you'll land on the Home or Project screen where you can start a new project or continue working on an existing one. Next, sign in with your account. Many AI features require an active sign-in to access cloud-powered processing and any credits included in your plan. Look for the profile icon or the sign-in button, usually in the top right corner. Make sure you're connected to the internet so Filmora can authenticate and enable the AI tools tied to your subscription. Now, click on Toolbox. Depending on your version, you may see it in the top menu, on the left panel, or labeled as AI tools or similar. This section is where Filmora groups its intelligent features so you can quickly find what you need without digging through multiple menus. If there's a search field, you can type a keyword to jump straight to the tool you want. From here, choose an AI feature you want to use or access AI tools within a working project. If you're just exploring, you can browse the list and open a tool to see what it offers. Keep in mind that most AI features act on media in your timeline. So if you already have a project open, select the clip you want to enhance before launching the tool. For example, AI Smart Cutout can isolate a subject from the background. Auto Reframe can adapt your footage to different aspect ratios, and AI Audio Denoise can reduce hiss or hum for cleaner sound. When you open a tool, you'll typically see options to preview the effect, adjust sliders for intensity or detection, and then apply the result. Watch for any credit meters or progress indicators, and give the analysis time to complete. If you're experimenting, it's helpful to duplicate a clip on the timeline so you can compare before and after. And remember, you can always undo if the result isn't what you expected. That's it. Open Filmora, sign in, click Toolbox, and pick the AI feature that fits your project. Explore, experiment, and let the AI handle the heavy lifting while you focus on creativity.